Hi people, welcome to the 10th part of our statistics series. In this video, we are going to discuss about z-scores. Please watch my previous video to understand this video better. A z-score, also called standard score, gives you an idea of how far from the mean a data point is. But more technically, it's a measure of how many standard deviations below or above the population mean. Z is equal to x minus mu by sigma, where x is the test value, mu is the mean, and sigma is the standard deviation. How to interpret z-score? A z-score of less than 0 represents an element less than the mean. Z-score greater than 0 represents the element greater than the mean. Z-score equal to 0 represents the element equal to mean. A z-score equal to 1 represents an element which is 1 standard deviation greater than the mean. A z-score equal to 2 signifies 2 standard deviation greater than the mean, etc. A z-score equal to minus 1 represents an element which is 1 standard deviation less than the mean. A z-score equals to minus 2 signifies 2 standard deviation less than the mean, etc. If the number of elements in the set is large, about 68% of the elements have the z-score between minus 1 and plus 1, about 95% have a z-score between minus 2 and plus 2, and 99% of have a z-score between minus 3 and plus 3. Z-scores are the measurements of how far from the mean a data value falls. Example, a man who stands 71.5 inches tall is 1 standard deviation above the mean. Man who stands 64 inches tall is 2 standard deviation below the mean. How do you use Z-score to identify outliers? A Z-score can be used to identify outliers by looking for the data points that are more than 3 standard deviation away from the mean. These points are considered to be extreme values and may be due to measurement error or other factors that are not representative of the data set as a whole. Okay, now how to use Z-score in real life? You can use Z-table and normal distribution graph to give you a visual about how a Z-score of 2 means higher than average. Let's say you have a person's weight of 240 pounds and you know Z-score is 2. You know that 2 is above average because of high placement of normal distribution curve, but you know how much above average is this weight. The Z-score in the center of the curve is 0. The Z-score to the right of the mean are positive, and the Z-score to the left of the mean are negative. If you look up the score in the Z-table, you can tell what percentage of population is above or below your score. The table below shows a Z-score of 2 highlighted showing 0.9772, which converts to 97.72%. If you look at the same score 2.0 of the normal distribution curve above, you will see it corresponds with 97.72. That tells you 97.72 of population score lie below the particular score, and 100% minus 97.72%, which is 2.28% of scores, lie above that score. A mere 2.28 of the population is above this person's weight. Probably a good indication that they need to go on a diet. So thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please share this video such that many people get benefited from this video. Also like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such content.